Hey there and welcome to Afterwork. My name is Valentine, and in this channel we talk about various data science topics that are important when you're starting out your data science career. If such topics interest you, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Alright, so let's get started with the topic of the day. Should you take a PhD or master's when you are preparing for data science career? So we'll start talking about PhD, whether it's the right one for you, then later go into the masters and talk about whether you should undertake also that one when you are starting out your data science career. So let's start off with a PhD. So you should consider taking a PhD if you would think that you're going to be doing any sort of research related role. So if you think that you're going to undertake maybe a role that involves coming up with say new algorithms to efficiently solve for problems that's pertaining, say for instance, machine learning. If you're going to be undertaking new projects that involve research intensive work, then you should consider PhDs, because they will prepare you for such kinds of careers. And during that time when you're working on your PhD, you are going to be doing a lot of research work, so that will prepare you for that. Of course, there's the time implication, which means you might end up spending 2, 3 or 4 years in school, but that's also something to consider on whether you'd want to spend all that time and later decide to apply for such research related roles that I've mentioned. In terms of the masters, you might want to undertake a master's if you want to build your data science fundamentals, especially when it comes to mathematics, statistics, and computer science. And majorly because when you go to universities, they really ground you on those particular subjects. You would go through theories, of course, theoretically, and in some other cases, you might also go through application of those particular concepts or fundamentals still pertaining the master's program, and that will ensure that you're a well-built data science professional once you have completed. So both paths will have a structured learning process, but it will be a bit more academic, and it will prepare you for most of the data science projects that you're going to be undertaking. From my own perspective, I would ask people to just simply figure out what works best. Is it a research related role that you'd want to undertake after you finished your learning journey, or is it more of a general data science related role that you'd want to undertake still after you finished your learning process, and then consider one of whether to undertake PhD or masters. All right, so that's it. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up.